On the vibrant shores of Negril, Jamaica, there was a small, sun-kissed stall run by an elderly man named Mr. Thompson, known affectionately as Crab Man. He was a local legend, famed for selling the sweetest, tastiest crabs anyone had ever eaten. Tourists and locals alike flocked to his colorful stall, drawn by the enticing aroma of his famous crab curry wafting through the air. Every morning, Mr. Thompson set out early to the sparkling turquoise waters, where he would gently catch his crabs using his grandfather's secret method. He would sing old reggae tunes as he worked, believing that the rhythm infused happiness into his catch. After returning, he would prepare them in a way that made your mouth water just by looking. One sunny afternoon, a young food blogger named Claire visited Negril and heard whispers about the Crab Man. Intrigued, she ventured to his stall. The moment she tasted his crab curry, a burst of flavor exploded in her mouth. Spices danced on her tongue, while the sweetness of the crab melted away her worries. She was so enchanted that she quickly filmed a short video, capturing the magic of Mr. Thompson's culinary art. The video went viral, and soon, people from all over the world made the journey to taste his crabs. Mr. Thompson never changed. He continued to greet his customers with laughter and a warm smile, content that his passion connected people through food. And as the sun set over the horizon, the taste of his crabs lingered in the hearts of all who had the pleasure to indulge.